The KGP Girls Higher Secondary School has decided to resume all classes from next week. Talking to reporters after the meeting of the school managing committee, school principal C. Alia informed that they would like to accommodate all the students in the buildings that escaped the devastating fire on Sunday. The school principals further informed that they are yet to take a decision on whether to retain the old design of the school or to go for a new design. She further said the cause of the fire has not been ascertained as of now.
Because we are of mixed opinions right now. Some of us would like to maintain that old structure. Some would like maybe a new design, some modern buildings. At present, it is too soon to say when we are planning to, to reconstruct the school. Many organizations, they have approached us and they have they told us that they would come forward and help us in trying to construct even makeshift classrooms